mangifika ke ngizohlala ngapha mangifika ngihlala nabantwana bethi now the situation is changing. Okay sharp kuselokishini everything ekhaya ba right, ugogo was running a crash, everything is fine. Kunokuthuleka la endlini, abantu bala endlini ungakhulunyiswa inyanga iphele. Ngithi ngangiyiqala le yampilo bhuti wami, ngangiyiqala le yampilo leyana banokuhlala inyanga yonke kwakubhuti wami futhi inyanga yonke like angakhulumi, kungakhulunyiswana, and you asking yourself futhi sengenzeni ke manje. You understand? Uzibuze mangasiyena ubhuti wami kube uye usesi wami lo naye futhi awusakhulunyiswa, silale ekamereni eliyi-1 kuningi. You understand? Hayi naye gogo wayengangeneleli.
Bona bayakhulumisana?
Yeah, sometimes they would actually speak to each other. Bazoxoxa, and you would only envy, you'd only look at them and just like ish, depending mabe baxabeneke bona ke then uzoxoxa nalomunye oyi-1 oxoxa naye when you are just being used as umuntu makuthi i-situation uba nabazwani, then you're just gonna be there. You understand? So kwakunano auntie ke sometimes kwakulula ukukhuluma no auntie. You understand?
Yeah.
I remember at some point ngikera mina I told my teacher wami geography ngifunde Thokothapha that meant wayengikherisa lo papa.
Yeah. Uthisha wakho?
Yeah, my teacher wayengikherisa lo baba loyana ekhaya kwesinye isikhathi ngiyakhera, kwesinye isikhathi ngangakheri. They always had money kangenayo, so he knew ukuthi every day wayengangibuza nokungibuza namhlanje ukuthi Nondumiso situation namhlanje njani. He would be like mayiqeda ukufundisa athi Nondumiso woze eGaza, wayene office wayehlala nomunye umem khona like laba behlala lo sort of like staff room.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Athi ngelunch uze eGaza, ngifike eGaza nginikeza 10 rand ngikwazi ukuyothenga inkota ngifane nezinye ingane. Yabo.